Hey guys, welcome back. So if you entered the contest for the cutting board, this is the moment you've been waiting for. We're going to skip the intro and all that stuff, and we're going to dive right into it. So we have all the entries for Facebook and YouTube in these two containers. I printed everybody's entry out, and Eli did a bunch of scissor work this afternoon. He cut them all apart and we filled the baskets. So I think we're ready to draw. Eli, are you going to do the honors?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
So, here's the one you're waiting for. I hope you win.
All right. So this is Facebook in the basket. So close your eyes, shuffle them around, and pick one out.
So, Facebook.
Yeah. All right. Can I see it?
Mm-hmm.
And the Facebook winner is Brittany Wilkinson. So that's a local gal. We know Brittany. We'll be in touch with you. Congratulations. And the YouTube winner, go ahead. Is Jamie Lewis. All right. Congratulations, Jamie. We'll be contacting you in the comments, and hopefully you get back to us and we can set something up. We'll get this to you. So Brittany and Jamie, thank you very much. We appreciate you entering. We appreciate all the entries. And I actually had a few questions for a question and answer segment. So I'm gonna put these guys to bed and I'll come back and we'll talk a little bit more. Eli, do you have any last words? Anything you want to say to the folks?
I'm so happy you won these cutting boards, Brittany and Jamie. I hope you enjoy them. I hope they last you pretty long. I hope you enjoy them. I hope they're super durable. Thank you.
100% unprompted. All right, buddy, good job. Lucas, do you want to say bye? Bye-bye. All right, I'm putting these guys to bed. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back. Kids are in bed, and I'll tell you what, I don't prompt Eli. I didn't give him any script or anything. I didn't tell him what to say. That's all him. He's a real ham. He really likes being on the videos, but it just so happens the nature of the sawmill stuff, I can't have him on a lot of them. So any chance he gets, he likes to be on the videos. Anyway, we got a few questions. Not as many as I would have thought, but you know, I guess it makes sense. You guys ask me a lot of questions in the comments, and I'm usually pretty good about trying to answer them all. So I know a lot of the stuff, gets answered on the fly. But there's a handful here, so we'll go through them kind of quick. First question, what's the largest diameter log I've ever sawed? 42 inches. And my mill is rated for 36 inches. It was a big oak log. Actually, I distinctly remember it. It blew over in Hurricane Sandy, and we were able to salvage it with a bunch of other oak logs. As I think that was 2012, if I remember correct. So quite a while ago. And the mill's rated for 36 inches, so it was a challenge. It took a lot of whittling with the chainsaw to make that fit, and it was kind of neat cutting 26-inch wide boards, but a lot of work went into that. So yeah, 42 inches is the biggest I've ever been able to squeeze on my Wood-Mizer. Somebody asked about quarter sawing. I haven't showed that yet. I was actually thinking about making a video sooner than later. I have some logs that are good for quarter sawing. So that'll be coming up here in the next month or so maybe. I have a take on quarter sawing that's probably different than some other folks. I kind of have my own method of doing that. So I'll make a video about that, and that'll be coming out. Probably the broadest question, what made you start doing this? And I'm going to take that to mean YouTube, not the lumber business. So that's the direction I'm going to take the answer. Why did I decide to start a YouTube channel? Well, I guess I'm just one of those people that always needs a challenge, and I'd been thinking about it for a while, and I was so busy with other projects, and I guess kind of more or less what happened is I was looking for something new to get into. I just always need to push myself to do, it seems like one thing too many. And my wife kind of thought, had suggested over the last couple of years that, it'd be I'd be good at it, I guess you'd say. I tended to agree with her, but I was always too busy, and then I just kind of decided, well, it's time to try a new chapter, try something different. So I figured I'd pick up a camera and see where it went. And I'll tell you what, the first time you pick up a camera and you can see yourself talking to yourself, basically, it's weird. It's still a little weird to me. But you think, oh yeah, it's no problem, you know, pick up a camera and make a video. But that first time you start talking to yourself, it is really a hard barrier to overcome. I don't know. I hope I'm getting better at it. But really, my goal was to just kind of help people out more than anything. I've been doing this for 15 years. I've learned pretty much everything the hard way. I have picked up a lot of great information online, so I figured maybe if I could help, you know, add my take on things, you know, maybe I could help somebody out, you know, and pay it forward. So that was really my reason, just to push myself into a new avenue. I am the furthest person from a tech person there is. I've really pushed myself to learn the editing and everything involved in the whole social media thing. It's not my natural environment by any means, but no, I'm having fun with it. I really like the feedback I get from you guys, and that actually leads to the last question, which isn't really a question. I had a comment here, somebody that had a few questions that were answered in the last couple videos, and now they have a question about Anchor Seal, but they didn't actually ask the question because they're waiting to see if it'll come up in a future video. Well, if you got a question, just ask me. It may come up in a future video, but I can't guarantee it. And if you're wondering about it, just ask me. That's the best way. Believe it or not, I really love your feedback because that just gives me ideas for videos. And if you have a question, in fact, I believe it'll be Friday of this week. If you're watching this when it comes out, we have a viewer directed video. Somebody asked me a question about my dust collection system at the sawmill, and I made a video on it. So I am open to any ideas you guys have. One of the great things, one of the reasons why I decided to start the channel was I do so many different things. You know, if you've been following along and watching, you know, most of the videos, you know, every one is different. I think I have about 100 videos now, counting the shorts, and I don't know that we've really touched the same subjects twice. I'm constantly doing different things. Between the lumber and the Christmas tree farm, every day is kind of something new for me, and you've been seeing bits and pieces of that. Honestly, I film probably 1% of my work week, just because I'm doing so many different things. So I have plenty of ideas, I have plenty of content for you guys, but always feel free to ask questions. If you want to see something, just let me know, and I'll see if I can make it happen for you. You know, so that's all I got for questions here. It was short and sweet, which is probably fine. Like I said, if you have anything else, just let me know in comments to the videos, and I'll answer the best I can. So I appreciate all you guys. We'll be getting these 2 cutting boards out to the winners. Thank you. Thanks for everybody for entering. Thanks for all the kind words. Really appreciate it. I'm going to keep plugging along here. I got lots of stuff for the new year coming up. So I hope everybody has a Merry Christmas, a Happy Holidays, and I'll catch you later.